has a rich cultural heritage and a diverse geography that have contributed to its reputation as the home to 70% of the world's spices. Spices have been an integral part of the country's cuisine and traditional medicine for centuries, making it a major exporter of spices. Before we learn more about India, make sure to subscribe so you can stay updated with the latest on Asia, the largest continent on Earth. For thousands of years, spices have played a crucial role in Indian cuisine. Indian cooking is known for its complex use of spices, which are combined in intricate blends to create the unique flavors and aromas that are characteristic of the cuisine. Some of the most commonly used spices in Indian cooking include cumin, coriander, turmeric, ginger, cardamom, black pepper, and cinnamon. Each spice has its own distinct flavor profile and is used in specific dishes or preparations to enhance the overall taste. Cumin, for example, is a staple spice in Indian cuisine and is used to flavor curries, soups, and stews. Fresh and dried coriander are both commonly used in spice blends, including garam masala. Turmeric is used to add color and flavor to dishes and is also believed to have medicinal properties. Ginger and garlic are often used together in Indian cooking to add heat and depth of flavor, while cardamom is used in desserts, sweets, and chai tea. Black pepper is a common spice used in soups and stews, while cinnamon is used in both sweet and savory dishes. Indian cuisine consists of a wide range of regional cuisines, each with its own blend of spices and flavors. As an example, North Indian cuisine is known for its use of garam masala, a spice blend containing cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, cumin, and coriander. On the other hand, black pepper, curry leaves, and coconut are popular ingredients in South India. In addition to their culinary uses, spices have also been used in traditional Indian medicine for thousands of years. Ayurveda, a system of medicine that originated in India, uses herbs and spices to treat a variety of ailments and promote overall health and well-being. It is believed that turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it is used to treat arthritis, digestive issues, and skin disorders. Ginger is used to aid digestion and reduce inflammation, while cinnamon is believed to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. India's reputation as the home to 70% of the world's spices is not just due to its long history and diverse geography. The country has also been a major player in the global spice trade for centuries. Spices have been an important commodity in international trade for thousands of years, with India being a major exporter since ancient times. The spice trade reached its peak in the 16th and 17th centuries, when European powers such as Portugal, Spain, and the Netherlands established trading posts in India to access its rich resources. Today, India is one of the largest producers and exporters of spices in the world, accounting for 70% of the global spice trade. Spices are grown throughout the country, with different regions specializing in different spices. For example, Kerala is known for its black pepper and cardamom, while Rajasthan is known for its cumin and coriander. Spices are exported to countries around the world, including the United States, Europe, and the Middle East. There are billions of dollars in spice exports from India every year, and the spice industry continues to be a major industry in the country. The spice trade has had a significant impact on India's economy and history. It has attracted foreign traders and contributed to the growth of Indian port cities such as Cochin, Calicut, and Goa. The Portuguese, Dutch, and British all established trading posts in India to access its rich resources, including spices. The Dutch and the British eventually gained control over large parts of India, which had a profound impact on the country's social, political, and economic landscape. Today, the spice trade continues to be an important industry in India, with spices being exported to countries around the world. The spice industry provides employment for millions of people in India, from farmers and laborers to traders and exporters. In recent years, there has been growing concern over the sustainability of India's spice production. The overuse of pesticides and fertilizers, as well as the impact of climate change, have led to declining yields and quality in some areas. To address these issues, efforts are being made to promote sustainable farming practices and improve the livelihoods of farmers. India is known as the home to 70% of the world's spices because of its rich cultural heritage, diverse geography, and long history of international trade. Spices play a central role in Indian cuisine, with each region having its own unique blend of spices and flavors. In addition to their culinary uses, spices have also been used in traditional Indian medicine for thousands of years. Today, India is one of the largest producers and exporters of spices in the world, with spices being grown throughout the country and exported to countries around the globe. As India faces new challenges in the 21st century, efforts are being made to ensure the sustainability and future of this important industry. Continue to keep track of the journey into the age of Asia. Subscribe to this channel so we can become a leading channel in telling the story of the largest continent on Earth.